Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with both curiosity and honesty. Today, I'm introducing a single eyeshadow from Clinique called the All About Shadow Single Eyeshadow in the shade AB French Vanilla. It's a matte powder designed to be safe for sensitive eyes, with a crease-proof formula that promises a smooth, long-lasting finish. When I first opened the packaging, I noticed Clinique's signature clean and sturdy design. The shadow itself is finely milled, which immediately suggested a soft application. The shade, French Vanilla, is a light, neutral matte that can double as a subtle highlight for the brow bone or a base for more complex eye looks. Clinique highlights that it's crease-proof, and the formula is crafted to be gentle enough for sensitive eyes, which is reassuring for anyone prone to irritation. I incorporated this shadow into my everyday routine over several days. Applying it was effortless. The powder glides on smoothly without tugging at the delicate eyelid skin. I found that blending was simple and the shade layered beautifully over primer or on bare lids. Throughout the day, I noticed minimal fading and no creasing, even in warmer conditions where makeup can often settle into fine lines. The texture is soft but not powdery, which makes it easier to build up color without fallout. One of the things I loved was how versatile this shade is. On its own, it gives a natural, polished look, and when paired with deeper matte tones, it works well as a base or transition color. On the downside, because it's a very light shade, it might not show up dramatically on deeper skin tones, so layering or pairing with other shades may be necessary. In terms of pros, the shadow is gentle on sensitive eyes, easy to blend, crease-proof, and comes in Clinique's classic, travel-friendly packaging. The pigment payoff is reliable for a soft matte look. On the cons side, the color selection for single shadows is somewhat limited, and lighter shades like French Vanilla may require multiple layers to appear vibrant on certain skin tones. Considering value for money, Clinique products tend to sit in the mid to high-end range. While it's a single shadow, the quality and safety for sensitive eyes justify the price, especially for someone looking for dependable, crease-proof matte shades. If you're looking for budget alternatives, there are other matte singles available from brands like Maybelline or ELF, though they may not offer the same sensitive eye-friendly formulation or crease-proof reliability. The packaging is solid, the shadow itself holds up well over time, and it has a shelf life typical for pressed powders. Clinique has a strong reputation for customer support, and their formulations are consistently allergy tested and ophthalmologist approved, which adds peace of mind for sensitive users. Overall, the Clinique All About Shadow Single Eyeshadow in AB French Vanilla delivers on its promise of a crease-proof, gentle, matte shadow. It's particularly well-suited for anyone with sensitive eyes or those seeking a reliable, everyday matte shade. If you're searching for a neutral base or a subtle highlight, this is a safe and effective choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this Clinique shadow, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.